Hey, this channel we mainly deal with AI types and how AI actually performs today and tomorrow.
You're already using AI every day, but did you know there are different types of AI from narrow to super intelligent? Let us discuss it in three sections. Section 1. Types by capability. Narrow AI that we have today. Narrow AI is designed to do just one thing or a small set of things very well. Examples are YouTube or Netflix recommendations, spam filters, facial recognition on phones, and voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. These systems look intelligent, but only inside their specific domain. Such a spam filter cannot suddenly drive a car, and a chess engine cannot cook. They need new data and new training for every new job. General AI, which is human level but not real yet. General AI is the idea of a machine that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across almost any task a human can do. Imagine one AI that can code, write stories, understand jokes, design buildings, and then learn a new skill tomorrow, all with the same mind and without being retrained from scratch. Right now, AGI, artificial general intelligence, does not exist. All current systems are still narrow, even if they look powerful. Researchers are working toward AGI, but it's an open problem with technical and ethical challenges. Super AI, beyond human intelligence. Super AI is a step beyond AGI, an intelligence that is smarter than humans in every area: science, creativity, strategy, emotional understanding, everything. This is what science fiction movies usually show. AI that can outthink all humans, invent new technologies rapidly, and maybe even influence or control society. Super AI is completely theoretical today. It is mainly discussed in future studies and AI ethics debates about safety, control, and alignment. So how to ensure such a system if it ever exists? Section 2. Types by functionality. Types of AI by functionality describe how an AI system behaves internally, whether it remembers, learns, or understands people. Reactive machines are the most basic type of AI. They respond only to the current input and do not store memories or learn from past experience. IBM's Deep Blue chess computer is a classic example. It evaluated the present board and chose a move using fixed rules, but it did not improve over time or remember previous games. Limited memory AI can use some past data to make better decisions now, usually through trained models or short-term memory. Self-driving cars and modern chatbots fall into this group because they learn from historical datasets and sometimes from recent interactions to refine their behavior. Theory of mind AI is a future goal, not something that exists today. The idea is to build AI that can understand that people have their own thoughts, emotions, goals, and beliefs, and then adjust its behavior based on that understanding. For example, a theory of mind AI assistant would notice that a user is stressed or confused, change its tone, slow down explanations, or choose different actions, similar to how humans naturally read each other's feelings. Self-aware AI is the most advanced and purely theoretical level. Here, the AI would not only understand others' minds, but also be conscious of itself, its own internal states, limitations, and goals. This raises big ethical and philosophical questions, and there are currently no real systems that qualify as self-aware AI. It remains an idea discussed in research and science fiction. Section 3. Where today's AI actually fits. What exists today? Only artificial narrow intelligence is real right now. All current tools, including recommendation engines, voice assistants, and even ChatGPT-like models, are considered narrow AI focused on specific tasks.